Welcome to Shiny Colors Fun Art Classes, everyone. This is Rashmi here, and today we are going to paint a dog with watercolor. See how beautiful the dog is. Here is the reference picture you can see, so quickly draw. So when we do landscape, I always say that make minimum drawing, draw minimum drawing, but when we make a portrait or when we make any object, then we should always draw correctly and little in detail. Little in detail means our features has to placed correctly, because there will not be scope later on to correct that. And our shapes and our spacing has to be correct, because once the features placed on the wrong side, then definitely we can't move it, and if we correct it, then our painting will get destroyed. I mean, it will get patchy and very ugly effect, so that we don't want that. So here I am applying the water. On all the surface. I left the edges where I am going to that part I am going to leave it actually. So here I am applying the light red color, very diluted light red color, and this is the lavender color to give the shade effect. For the nose also I am applying light red, Vanetian red, Indian red, whichever color you have you can apply. And here little lavender color. I've many times in my video I told that how to make the lavender color. So you can see, I'll tell you again, but you just mix crimson, cobalt and a little bit in the white, so you will get the lavender, light purple color you will get, that we have to apply for the shade. And here a little darker lavender means little darker purplish color. This is also purplish color mixed with little light red. Applying near the nose, near the mouth area where the dog has darker color. Now I am doing the ear part. So ear is dark. So again light red and burnt sienna I have used here. Little light red and this is burnt sienna. Little thicker burnt sienna. Watercolor is all about washes. So if you understand the washes nicely, then you will get that effect. I'm just taking out some texture out, little hairy texture the dog has. And little bit texture on the ear also, because the ear is also not flat, it has curve, that the dog curved on the downward like that, and the ear is also dried, so we have to give the more washes. Now see, my surface is dry now 100%. So I waited after that, and once it dries, I'm starting the eyes, but I sprayed a little bit on the eye area so that it will become a little wet surface. You can see the edges are soft. So that eyebrows area also. When you make watercolor on wet, it's absolutely looks very amazing, and no hard edge required for that. That playfulness of watercolor, that spreading around, it gives so beautiful effect. You can see how beautiful and natural the eye came because I've done on the wet surface. So if you don't have spray, you can just apply water also with the brush, but water has to be clean, that's all. Near the nose also I'm giving the detailing. Now nose is also looking so beautiful, right? And now carving the mouth. See how beautiful it is looking. How natural, how beautiful. Little bit more dark. So this color I'm using, that is little brown. So if you have Van Dyke brown, you can use Van Dyke. I used Van Dyke brown. Otherwise you can use raw umber. Burnt umber can also you use, whichever dark brown you have. Otherwise, if you don't have dark brown also, you can just use a little black or blue in burnt sienna, and you can use that. The other eye is remaining, so I just protect the other area and put the spray on the eye side only. And now see, I am giving the detailing in the eyes. And the neckline. Because of the angle, because of the brow ridge, because of the nose, not able to see the eyes fully, but the perspective has to be correct when you make it. Almost finishing. A little details. Now the background. So when you make the background, I'm leaving a very little and a thin line around the dog that shows the glow of the sun that is coming on the skin, and that actually gives very beautiful and 3D effect. The color that I'm using, that is Payne's Grey, but I mixed a little bit purple in that. Now a little bit hair area I need to make, so I dried my surface and I'm using Chinese white color directly to make the hair around the skin a little bit. Now you can see, so beautiful it came. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Please share it with your friends and family. Hope you liked the lesson. I really enjoy doing this dog. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.